to initiate a cold conversation with somebody about real estate, there's many ways that you can do that. So a lot of people are scared to initiate conversations and let people know that they're real estate agents. And that's one of the biggest mistakes you can make as a new agent, is being an invisible agent or a secret agent. So, I don't care if you're at the laundromat, the gas station, the gym, anywhere. Like, there's always a way to spark up a conversation. You could talk about the weather. Hey, this weather is crappy today, right? And like, yeah, I got to do an open house later, whether you have one or not. They're like, oh, you're a real estate agent. Yeah, here's my card. Now you at least let that person know that you're a real estate agent, and that conversation can be had now. Or every time you see them, they might not be ready to buy a house right now, but when they are ready to buy a house, and then you come back to that gas station, that laundromat, that gym, they're like, hey, I'm glad you told me you're a realtor. I'm looking to buy a house, or a relative is looking to buy a house. Like, you're the first person they're going to think of now. So you want to have that conversation no matter how you got to initiate it everywhere you go. That way, everybody that you frequently see knows that you're a real estate agent and you're the first person on their mind.